stolen from Mirzapur on the 14th of January. The UP police has since recovered the idols and revealed that a temple priest as well as a Samajwadi Party leader were involved in the crime. The Samajwadi Party, in a damage control, has distanced itself from the accused, saying that he is no longer an active member of their party. But the BJP is citing the case and saying that it is yet another example of SP's hate against Sanatan.
आश्रम है जिसमें एक राम जानकी मंदिर स्थापित है। वहाँ पर राम जानकी लक्ष्मण की 3 मूर्तियाँ स्थापित थी और मकर संक्रांति के दिन तीनों ही मूर्तियाँ रात्रि में चोरी हो गई थी। और इस संबंध में जो आश्रम का एक मुख्य कर्ता धर्ता है बंसी बाबा, उसके द्वारा मुकदमा पंजीकृत कराया गया था। भौतिक और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साक्ष्य के माध्यम से ये स्पष्ट हो गया था कि ये बाबा द्वारा ही इसकी चोरी कराई गई है। उसी क्रम में आज पुलिस द्वारा तीनों बेशकीमती मूर्ति बरामद किया गया है और इस घटना में संलिप्त बाबा सहित इसके 3 साथियों को गिरफ्तार किया गया है।
BJP is alleging that Samajwadi Party has always been against Hindu faith and now they have been found involved in a theft as well.
टोटी चोर, बिजली चोर, इनके अलायंस में चारा चोर, जमीन चोर, अब प्रभु की मूर्ति भी चोरी। अरे सनातन से नफरत है, महाकुंभ से नफरत है, रामचरितमानस से नफरत है और मूर्तियां भी चोरी कर लेंगे, वो भी भगवान की। कम से कम इसको तो बख्श देते हैं। राम मंदिर को बेकार बोलेंगे, वहां पर बोलेंगे ये सब पाखंड है और यहाँ पर मूर्तियां चोरी करेंगे।
Now, Samajwadi Party is saying that the man who is at the center of this controversy, Ram Bahadur Pal, had long left the party.
मिर्जापुर में मंदिर में चोरी का जिस तरह से पुलिस द्वारा खुलासा किया गया है, समाजवादी पार्टी समझती कानून है और कानून अपना काम करेगा। जो भी आरोपी है उन पर सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। जहां तक एक आरोपी के समाजवादी पार्टी से जुड़े हुए रहने का सवाल है, तो समाजवादी पार्टी इस बात को स्पष्ट करना चाहती है कि सितंबर 2024 से उस कार्यकर्ता का समाजवादी पार्टी से कोई लेना देना नहीं था। इसलिए कानून है, जिसने अपराध किया है, आप कानून अपना काम करेंगे।
Adib, is it a case of just crime or is there politics also involved?
Well, definitely, Priya, see, politics is involved as the accused is the former national secretary of Yujan Sabha of Samajwadi Party. However, Samajwadi Party has now distanced itself when he was arrested, and the news came in that a local leader of Samajwadi Party has been arrested by the municipal police. The Samajwadi Party was quick to respond, and they have distanced itself, saying that he is not an active party member since September 24. But what the police has found in the investigation, that 3 idols, and these 3 idols of Ashtadhatu idols that were placed in Ram Janki temple in Mirzapur. These 3 idols worth around ₹30 crore. They were stolen from the temple. The priest himself reported the matter, but when the police investigated, based upon the electronic surveillances, police found that the temple priest, along with Samajwadi Party leader, was involved in this crime. Police busted the racket, they recovered the idols, and now Samajwadi Party is saying that the accused is not an active member, and the law can take its own course. They have already arrested the accused, and he shall be treated guilty. However, the BJP is attacking Samajwadi Party, saying Samajwadi Party has always been against the faith, against the Hindu religion. They have always they have been speaking against Mahakumbh, and this time now a Samajwadi Party leader is involved in stealing the idols of Lord Ram, Ashtadhatu idols from a temple in Mirzapur, Priya.
Right.